Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is going to be on Ruby Easy Oaks, also known as the Cars 1 Easy Idle Racer. This was suggested to me by Snowflake. Of course, I believe he's recently changed his name back to normal, so I do not know your name, so I'll just call you Snowflake for the time being. And there is one thing I wanted to quickly say, that dislikes, I don't care who's disliking them. I know who's disliking my videos, it's the haters, and go ahead, dislike them, because in the background, you guys are still giving me views, you guys are still giving me money, and yeah, it's like, I don't really care. It's like, you're giving me money, so thank you. And the money will be spent on more cars, so I can do more videos for you, and that's what I like doing. I do it for the videos, and I love the support. So thank you all so much. But yeah, well, dilly-dallying on with the problems, let's start off with Ruby. So I do have two Rubies, of course, like I usually do with the Piston Cup Cars 1 races. But one is rubber tyres and one is plastic, so we'll look at the plastic rubber tyre one first. That made no sense. But let's start off with the review. So of course we've got 51 on the headlight here. He's got the nice angry expression as usual. Got a nice moustache at the front. Headlights. Easy idle at the front, as you can see. A warm start to a cold morning. Pretty cool. Green eyes. Very nice. Got this 51 on the top here, with this roof flap in this black colouring. Pretty cool. On the back here it says easy idle again. A warm start to a cold morning. Window bars. On the side of the diecast now, we've got these light year tyres in this black colour. Of course, we've got the sponsors. Nitrate, Piston Cup, Revolting, Octane Game, Mood Springs, Throttling, No Style, Gaskets, Gas Sprint, Easy Idle himself, RPM, Lily Top Pistons, Leakless, Retread, and Clutch Aid. 51 again, in this black colouring. Exhaust pipes right there. Warm start to a cold morning. These blue rectangle triangle shape going towards the white. Easy idle. The fuel cap is roughly about here. Light here as well. Here's the back. We've got easy idle. 51 on the headlights. Got a few dents on him. It's been out. I've had this one for quite a while. A warm start to a cold morning. So yeah, that does pretty much end the video, or the review, but there is other members. So let's take a look at the base. It's the other way actually. No, I did have it right the first time. Made in China. Man, I love this new phone. Here's the rubber tyre version. You can tell by the wheels. These are plastic, these are rubber tyres, and one makes noise and one doesn't. And now Ruby does actually have a pity, which I am surprised about. So we'll take a closer look at that, but not reviewing it, so pretty cool. Easy idle. Of course, I do have the China Carl clutch in, but not the Thailand one, so the China one is pretty rare. Of course, the most dramatic change is that they changed the 51 to 15, because Doc's number was 51, and they wanted Cruz to have that in Cars 3. So that's why he's changed, as it focuses. You can see the difference. Still kept its blue and white colour, which is pretty cool. Up next is Harvey Rodcap. We'll take a look at the China version, because the China version is way much better. There seems to be a lot of hair on my desk, I don't know why. But yeah, easy idle, metallic paint, pretty cool. Harvey was one of the first next gens to get released in this Amazon Online 10 pack. And you know what I mean by that, because it was exclusive, and Luigi and Guido were in it, which makes it an 11 pack. But yeah, we can see the 15 is this different style. Spoiler. Still kept the same two colours. Pretty cool. And of course there is also a Thailand release of Harvey, which I do not like at all. The only good thing that I do like about it is now that he's got the window support bars. I like the metallic paint though on the other one. I do have a Harvey Woodcup in the package here. So of course, pretty cool. Easy idle. And of course there is also recently new this Harvey Rodcap and George New in 2-pack pullback from the Disney store. Of course, pullback racing action. Pretty cool. I love George Newman in this. I mean, It's a shame that they had to ruin him, but still like George Newin from China. Yeah, and of course there is also this pretty cool mini racer of Harvey, which is inaccurate, but yep, pretty cool. It's got the wrong spoiler, as you can see. But yeah, if you are new, let's get all the cars back that featured in this video. So thank you Snowflake for suggesting this review, if that is the person. Apologies if I do get it wrong. I've got so much work to get on with right now, but videos come first. Carl Clutch, yeah. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite member of the Easy Idol team. Mine is Harvey Rodcap, but the China version. Then Ruby, then Cole. Put the mini one over here too. And of course, we'll put this in the back. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Of course, dislike if you dislike my content. I mean, who dislikes my content? I mean, it might not be good. Of course, there's always this stupid, ugly looking vlog star thing down here. But I can't do nothing about that until I get paid. Maybe I'll get rid of that in the future. But yeah, who dislikes my content? Come on, just admit it. I mean, it's fine, but yeah. Let's not talk about it anymore. Next video will be back to normal. Yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below. The next one. Bye, guys.